Short video here today on user-defined functions, the bare essentials. If you have no idea what's going on here, this is for you. As you know, I'm a Google Sheets junkie by nature, and you can create named functions in Sheets whereby you can plug in some built-in functions, combine them together into a user-defined function. They call them named functions over there. And so I went into Excel to see if you could do the same thing, and of course you can, and of course it's crazy complicated, but let's talk through it together, shall we? Okay, what we have here. This is a very simple little workbook where I've got a cell, let me talk about this first, where I've just got a list of comma-separated items. I combined functions together, text join, sort, transpose, text split, talked about this in another little video, to sort these into alphabetical order. Okay, so there it is. Batman begins first where it belongs. But what if we just had a user-defined function, as I've created here, that sorts the objects in the cell just like it's supposed to in one fell swoop, so we don't have to have all this garbage and risk messing something up. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to open up by pressing Alt F11, Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications. This opens up this crazy window here where you can do more crazy stuff in Excel. And what we need is this right here. This is the function that I have made, and I'm going to walk through it from scratch with you in just a sec. Don't worry. You won't see a module right here on the left side like I have, but if you go to Insert, Module, here we go. Here's a new module. And what we do in a module is we just write a function and we spell it correctly. So let's say function sort again, and we're going to have one variable, one argument that we take in here, and it's going to be the cell contents. So we'll call that cell. Now to use the built-in functions that are already in Excel, I mean, you can program some really crazy complicated stuff. We're not doing that today. We're just using built-in functions. I'm going to say sort again is equal to, this is what gave me a little bit of trouble. You have to go worksheet function dot, and then boom, here's all our functions. And the first thing we need is text join, and we're going to join together with a comma and a space. This is going to be the end result of our list, but we're kind of doing things in reverse so that it all works together. And we're going to say true, and we're going to say worksheet function dot sort. So there's the second built-in function we're using. Then we're going to say worksheet function dot transpose. There's the third one we're going to be using. Now here's where it got a little bit tricky. Sometimes you're not going to be able to find worksheet function for what you need, like text split. Where are you, text split? You're not here. Now, if you know why that is, please tell me in the comments, because lowly Google Sheets nerd myself, I have no idea why it's not there. And you know what? I'd like to know. Why is worksheet function text split not working? I'll tell you what does work though. Check this out. So instead of worksheet function, we have to say VBA split. And then we've got the cell, which is our original argument. So that's going to take the contents of that cell. We're going to say split it by the commas, and then boom, 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 boom. We're going to close all that out. I'm going to hit Control S to save it. And then back here in our sheet, we should be able now to sort again. There's our new function, A2. Check it out. Hey, so that's it, and I hope that's helpful for you. Again, if you know why the worksheet function was different from the VBA in, let me show you again where it was. Over here in the functions that we're writing, why we had to write VBA.split and why it's not worksheet function.textsplit like it's supposed to be. I'd love to know. Please let me know in the comments. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great one. Please like and subscribe. All that good stuff. You're awesome. Thanks.